Irish Street Reno, week 195. Welcome to week 195. Part of Adam Builds Colorado means occasionally getting out into Colorado, and this week I do just that by doing a really epic trail run out at Rollins Pass. This is a trail that's just west of Nederland, right at the base of the Moffat Tunnel, which connects the eastern slope of Colorado via rail to the western slope, and specifically Winter Park. This trail is about 18 miles and it starts around 9,000 feet and works its way up to above 12,000 feet for a stretch of 10 miles before coming back down. It is an absolutely beautiful trail. You spend a good bit of time below timberline, but then you get to ascend above the trees and see all of the Colorado prairie out in front of you, as well as some really beautiful alpine lakes. This time of the year, there's still some snow melting, so you get to see a bunch of ice. Some of the lakes are still frozen, but at the same time, all of the plant life is in full bloom. In fact, late July and early August, depending on the part of the state, are a great time to see the beautiful wildflowers in Colorado. And this week, they were absolutely gorgeous. You wait a couple of weeks, they might start dying off. It just depends. But anyways, I just wanted to share this trail run with you guys because there are some really beautiful spots in the state. So this is Colorado. It's beautiful this time of the year. I can't wait for it to return. Enjoy the views. On Tuesday, I close out the week with a little dance lesson. Guys, I'm learning how to country swing dance and it's a total blast, so here's a little video of my progress. That's going to do it for week 195. Thanks as always for tuning in, and until next week, happy renovating.